In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify LinkedIn account. Verifying your LinkedIn account is a simple way to boost your credibility and show your professional network that you're the real deal. I'll walk you through the process step by step so it feels straightforward from start to finish. Begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and open your homepage. From there, head to your profile. You can do this by clicking your profile photo or the Me icon at the top of the page. Accessing your profile is important because that's where the verification option appears. On your profile, look for the option to add a verification badge. It's typically visible right on the profile page. Click it, and LinkedIn will open a new window that explains how to complete the process using your mobile device. Using your phone is recommended because it's faster, more secure for identity checks, and designed to guide you clearly from one step to the next. Make sure you have the LinkedIn app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, download it now since the app is required to complete verification. Keep your internet connection stable and your app updated for the smoothest experience. In the new window on your computer, you'll see a QR code. Open the camera app on your phone and point it at the QR code on your screen. Most modern phones recognize QR codes automatically, but if yours doesn't, check your camera settings or use a dedicated QR code scanner app. Give it a second to read the code and then tap the prompt that appears. Your phone will now guide you through the final steps. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. LinkedIn uses Persona, a trusted partner, to verify your identity, and the prompts are designed to be clear and secure. Take your time and ensure each step is completed as requested so everything goes through without a hitch. Once you finish the steps on your device, return to your computer and wait for the page to update automatically. When verification is successful, you'll see a confirmation on your LinkedIn profile that your account is verified. That's all there is to it. You've now added a layer of authenticity to your presence, which helps build trust with recruiters, clients, and colleagues. I hope this walkthrough made verification feel easy and approachable. If you run into any issues, leave a comment describing what you see on your screen, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and happy networking on LinkedIn.